Hi, my name is Snap, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can have multiple accounts on one device. So the first thing you want to do is go to the Google Play Store and search for this app called Multiple Account, and search for this one, not for this one, because that one will not work. The one I recommend is the best one, or you can just look in the description for the link. Now once you've installed it, you want to click open, and you should be greeted with this menu. The button you want to click on is the plus button right here, and you can add any app or game you have installed on your device. Like I'm going to install Clash Royale for this example. Now once it's added, you want to click open. And you should be greeted with the menu and like this. And right here, sometimes it will ask you if you want to add an account. Like, it's gonna be showing you in a couple of minutes. See, right here, it's gonna ask you if you want to change your account. Like it did right now. See, it's checking info. And this checking info might take a while. So, I'll be back when it's done checking the info. Now what you want to do is right here, it says with your Google account, you can sign in like this. I'm going to be signing in, and I'll come back when I'm done signing in. And now you want to click agree. And it's checking your info to make sure it's verifying you. And after it's done checking your info, you can click the next button. But right now I can't check the next button. Now what you want to do is click the bottom and click accept. And now you can have fun with your game. I'm going to give you some little bit of gameplay to tell you that this app works. And now it will ask you to add your account you just added. Like so. You should have a notification that you added an account. Like right here it says, did you just sign in? A new device accessed your account. Don't worry about that. That means that you entered in a new account. And here it says Google account alert. Do you want to load your previous Clash Royale account that you had associated with your account you added? Click yes, and it will be restarting to verify your account. Click OK, and here my Clash Royale account is added. I haven't played with my Clash Royale account in forever. So that's it for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones. Bye.